Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is chicken momos. As you can see, it's so juicy. So let's get started. First we'll add 400 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add salt according to your taste. And then we'll just mix it. To that we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and we'll just mix it up. Make sure it's spread evenly, and then we'll add 300 ml of water. Add water according to your flour. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Now you can see our dough is now so soft. We'll just brush it with oil so that it remains soft. And just cover it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the mixture. We'll take 400 grams of minced chicken. To that, we'll add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, 2 tablespoons of green pepper, add 2 numbers of chilies, then add 1 root of spring onion, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, then add salt according to your taste, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then mix it. The ingredients are enough to prepare 25 momos. Lastly, we will add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and mix it all together. We'll keep it to marinate for about 1 hour. You can see our dough is now ready. It's really soft. Now let's start to make the roundels. Before that, we'll just mix it up. Make small balls. Please make sure to cover the balls with a cloth so that it doesn't get dried out while preparing the roundels. Make the dough into small roundel for the fillets. You can see the doughs are really glossy. It's very soft and it's easy to prepare. Now we'll start adding our fillings. We'll shape it. See, while shaping, we don't require to touch with water or additional oil because already the dough is really soft. So it's very easy to shape it. Now we'll steam it. We have already kept the water boiling, so it's hot. Now I'll keep the steamer to it and just steam it for around 10 to 12 minutes. Our momos are now ready. Look at that water oozing out from the momos. It's so juicy. Enjoy this juicy chicken momos with the creamy sweet and sour dip sauce, for which we have prepared a video. You can find it at the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.